Washingtonu, gdje sam boravio na poziv State Departmenta i Američkog kongresa na čelu.
Of the Department of State and the American Congress.
On this trip to Washington, he is meeting or has met.
Smatram da to pitanje nije trebalo nuditi na odgovor građanima.
I think that it was not necessary to propose such a question for a referendum before the citizens.
To je zapravo pitanje da li želimo da živimo u svijetu ili van svijeta.
What the citizens there are actually being asked is, do we want to live in the world or outside of the world?
Ako želimo da živimo u svijetu, a to je u našem najboljem interesu, onda moramo prihvatati one standarde koji u tom svijetu važe.
If we want to live as part of the world, and this is something which is in our best interest, then we must embrace those standards which are in place in the world.
Zato mislim da je bilo mnogo produktivnije od strane državnog rukovodstva da preuzme odgovornost za rješavanje tog pitanja, umjesto što želi da podijeli odgovornost za to pitanje sa građanima Srbije.
Therefore, I think that it would have been much more productive if their leadership has taken the responsibility for resolving this issue rather than wishing to share their responsibility with their citizens.
In Montenegro, northeast of northwest of Puerto Princesa, and very especially the people who did a lot of work setting up this news conference in Torreta.
And he has also said that you have had enormous
u svjetskih centrima, dakle Europe i Amerike, iskoristi